Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Mavic 2 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to fold and unfold the drone. To fold or unfold the drone, first we take a look at the propellers. Longer one on the top are going first in unfolding and second in folding. Let's start with the unfolding. The drone folded looks like this. To unfold it, firstly unfold those that goes to the side. Then the bottom drone folds downwards, upwards, like this. To fold it, firstly push back propellers and later push front propellers. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.